aliens are the ones with the weird error that makes Gecko look like a weird sea monster exposed to nuclear radiation instead of a big gecko exposed to nuclear radiation. I can't, there's no grammar. Oh my god. Wait. Wait, no. Gimme. Oh. Ah. Just ignore me, sir. Ah. No, I said ignore me. Please. Put me down. I'm just messaging some friends. I'd be tiny. Wait, can I be even smaller? Perfect. Yes. Ooh, a shiny. It's a concrete pad. Wait. Oh, that is so cute.